Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you new affiliate service that you need to promote on Instagram. Okay, I will show you which service you should promote on Instagram, and I will show you where you can send people who are interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see here, we are in my Fiverr account, and I made $245. I will update this so you guys can be sure it's not fake. So as you can see, it's still in the same numbers, and here it's paid by 5 affiliates, and I made this money on my Fiverr account. So in this video, I want to share with you my method that I use so you can use it to promote your Fiverr affiliate link to earn commission like this. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and want to start Fiverr affiliate business, you just need to go and create an account on Fiverr. If you don't have a Fiverr account, just go to Google and search for Fiverr. And this is the website of Fiverr. You just need to click on this link here. The sign-up process is very easy and simple. You will only follow a few steps, and that's all. So after you finish doing sign-up process on Fiverr, this will be your home page. Okay, so you need to come over here and scroll down like that. Okay, and go to community and click on affiliate, and you'll be directly in this 5 affiliate website. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to click here on join now, and you will be in this page as you can see. So as you can see, the lineup process is super easy. You just need to put here your first name and here your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private, and that's all. It's only few steps, and you will have an account on Fiverr affiliates. And you should have an account like this one, and this will be your home page. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to go back to your Fiverr account, okay, and search for this service. Search for Instagram post food. Okay, search for Instagram post food like that, and you will find here lots of service that are provided from sellers here on Fiverr as you can see. So we need to choose good seller that people can trust him and buy his service from our affiliate link so we can earn commission. Okay, so for example, I will choose one of those sellers, so let's check good seller here. So for example, if we choose this one as level 1 seller and has 5-star and lots of reviews. So I will click on his service like that, and you will be directly in his profile on Fiverr like that. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to copy this link from here like that, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and click on marketing tools, and click again on default and delete links like that, and come over here and put your link here. Okay, like that, and just click here, and here you go, you just created your first affiliate link. Okay, so what you need now to do is you need to copy this link from here like that, okay. And as you can see, this link is long, so we will need to make it short. So we will use this website. Go to Google and search for bit.ly and click on the first link like that, and you will be directly in this website. This website make long links short, and you can sign up with your email address, like I did, and it's for free. This website is absolutely for free, 100% okay. So after you finish the sign-up process on this website, this will be your home page like that. So you need to come over here in this icon here, and click on this icon like that, and click on link, and put your affiliate link over here like that, okay, and just click on create. And here you go, this is your short affiliate link. So you need to copy this link from here. Okay, and go to your Instagram page. Okay, and search for this hashtag food. Search for hashtag food. Okay, search for a hashtag food like that, and you will find a lot of the Instagram page who has a lot of food posts that they will need this service, okay. So we will need to send those page message and our affiliate link and ask them if they are interested to design their Instagram posts. Okay, so for example, let's take one of those page over here. So for example, take this page. Okay, I will click on this page. I think now this page is already designing his Instagram post. So we need a page that is not designing. Okay. So for example, I will choose another page. So I think I will choose this page over here like that. Okay, and you will be in this page of Instagram. Okay. As you can see, this page is not designing his Instagram post, and it's about food. So what you need to do now is you need to click here on message. Like that. Okay, and say the following. Hello, if you are interested to design your Instagram, post food, and make your page branding. Check this seller on Fiverr. And put your affiliate link here like that. Okay, or you can say something from your own. I'm just giving you an example of how you can promote your affiliate links on Instagram. Okay, and just click here on send, and your message will be sent to this page, and with your affiliate link as you can see. So if this page is interested to design his Instagram food posts, he will talk with you back, and he will click on this link and buy this service from your affiliate link. And you will earn commission on your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, so that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate account on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you in our next video.